Yep, so here we go. So these are the Zikes that I mentioned on the other video, if anyone's watched that one. Yeah, so you can see it's complete, pretty complete I should say. It's got the belt here, so this could be the thing that they classified as a 3mm belt, potentially. I'm not sure if it's got any numbers on this one or not. No numbers on that one there. Loving that. Ordered some new grips for it already. Very similar to originals. Needs a good clean. Looks like it's been just been sat in the gathering dust for a long time. Chain all moves nicely. Electronics are in here, and in here is where they house the battery. This all looks good. Per the receipt, one of the bikes has had a new tire. Well, I say a new tire, a new wheel, bits and bobs basically back in the day. Chain looks a bit scabby, but it does actually move nicely. It just needs to take off. It needs a really good clean, or just a good bath or to probably just a new one would be easier. But you can see he sort of sprayed it with tons and tons of greasy oil just to keep it from not being seized. This sort of stuff here, that will clean up quite nicely. Here we go. Actually, yeah, there we go. There's the number. So 1097. Yeah, so that is the one that's mentioned in the paperwork. So that's quite good. Original saddle. And then you've got the baskets that he brought new with the bicycle for $29.99, plus the second bike. And as you see, hopefully most of it's there. I mean, on the picture from 2007, it looked pretty good. Just obviously this needs a full assemble and see what's there. And then you have the bag of bits and bobs. So you've got an original battery here, 24 volts. And then you've got the batteries that the guys made up for it, which again they've been sealed at the end. So no idea if they're any good or not. I don't know if he made these up, in the last few years, or made them up 10 years ago. I'm not sure. But when I'm sort of going to get round to doing something with the bikes, obviously I'll have a quick test. But I will be checking these before winter and then storing them properly. Or if they're knackered, obviously I'll disconnect the wires and keep them until I get hold of some new batteries. So there's 4 lots of those, enough for the two bicycles. And here's the rest of the bits and pieces. So you've got a nice bell in there from 1995. All the sort of halves of the bikes, mud guard, all that sort of stuff. There's the cranks in there, the chain, the pedals, bearings, motor. That's one of the battery chargers there. I've not seen one of those before, because when I had my first Zike, didn't have that. So yeah, it's got a charger with it as well, which is pretty cool. Yeah, and loads of bits and bobs, like the chain tensioner, the belt tensioner, sorry. So yeah, there we go. But yes, this one here is absolutely for sale. I mean, to be honest with you, both of them, probably are going to be for sale. So if anybody happens to want a cheap project, then that one there they can have cheap, definitely, just to get rid of it. If not, I'll just build it up myself, and see what's there, see what's missing. Cool. Yeah, nice one. Thanks for watching. Just a quick video. And yeah, if anyone's interested, located in Bournemouth, Dorset. Nice one. Cheers.